my god, that's bright. This entire video was literally just my double chin, and I'm sorry about it. Also, the editing is really bad because I took a 6-hour nap right after I edited it, so I was like super tired. But yeah. Hi, I had a crazy dream that you and I were on drugs, and so I woke up really early, so it's 9 a.m. This is like 4 hours before I usually wake up, so I'm making a healthy breakfast that I found on Pinterest. So I am whisking some eggs. I added some salt and pepper. Oh, I also made this water. It has lemon, cucumber, mint leaves, and I think that's it. I was supposed to add an orange, but I didn't have orange. It's really good.
She's really good.
And then I have to cook some bacon. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I was making. I'm making a quesadilla with egg, bacon, and cheese. Yeah. Ew, this is kind of gross. I didn't even know I had all these ingredients in my house. Okay, here we go. Okay. I'm trying to eat healthier, but the thing about eating healthy is that it takes a lot of work. Excuse me. What was I saying? Oh my god. Anyways, I did this calculator. That showed how much calories I should be eating a day based on my weight and my height and my... It said that, so it gave me like how much fat I should be eating, how many carbs, how many whatever, like, you know, that stuff. It told me that. And so eggs are protein, so is bacon. This entire piece of bacon is just fat. Look at that bitch, she's fat as hell. I think I have to cut it in half. I'm gonna try to snip it with these scissors. I don't wanna get splashed. Did it.
The coronary artery has been clipped, Dr. Burke.
Okay, I'm gonna try to flip. Did you see that? I just flipped the bacon with the scissors. That was so cool. Okay, I'm adding another piece and I'm gonna take the fat out though. Clipping the binary artery. What the heck? I don't get it. Do I want it? What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Yummy. This piece looks good. Wait, where do I put it? Oh my god, I dropped it. For lunch, I'm making chicken, avocado, and cheese wrap. Doesn't that sound so good? Yeah, it does. Flipping the liver. I dropped the liver. I'm like Meredith. Look at that smoke. Is that supposed to happen? How do you tell if bacon is done? Is that something you're supposed to know? Oh my god, there's a cute... Who is that? There's this cute... Polly, look! Oh my god, wait, I thought I turned around. He's so cute. Look at his curly hair. His face was cuter, but look at him. Hi. Hi. Wait, okay, I'm taking it off now because I think it's done. Plop. Yay! Okay, we're gonna use this skillet to cook my eggs. Should I cook them in the bacon grease or should I add... I think I'm gonna add Pam, like, just in case, because I don't know. What if the eggs stick to the pan? Is that a thing? Do eggs stick to the pan? I don't know. I actually know how to cook scrambled eggs. I mean, it's pretty easy. Gordon Ramsay did it like much more professional. I watched a video and he was like, you have to actually scramble them in the pan. And I was like, what the fuck? I'm so scared. Yes. Okay, it's so early in the morning. I've noticed that like 90% of this video is me having a double chin and me making a morning face. I have this really I have a morning face and it's like stingy looking. Anyways, I just had to apologize for that. Looking pretty good. I don't know how to tell when they're done though. I guess like when they're completely dry. I did it. I hate myself. Yeah, man. Like that. Oh! I almost dropped you. Okay, then I take some cheese and I sprinkle it. Yeah? Is that good? See, I already had a plan for today. I was gonna sleep in till 4 and then I was gonna get up and make cookies and then eat those, and that was it. Part of me still wants to make those cookies, but at the same time, there's this part where I woke up in the morning and I was like, let me be healthy, you know? And, oh God, I'm not even watching my thing. What do I do? Okay, this is what it looks like. I got everything on there. I barely put any eggs because I don't like eggs. Okay, I'm gonna try to flip it over. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. That is just not right. Okay, wait. Look at this hoe. Oh my God. Okay, wait, but you can't tell me that doesn't look good. Okay, I'm gonna try to flip it. Oh my God, I'm so good at this. I dropped you. I'm so sorry. You went into the pan and then fell out. I think it's safe to say that this quesadilla is done. I'm not sure though. I don't even know what safe is. Just cleaning up my things because I'm responsible. Here's my extra mint leaves that I didn't put in my water. Okay, I'm gonna assume that this quesadilla is done and I lost my spatula. Oh, I put it in the sink. Oh my God. Flashback to when I said I was responsible in cleaning up.
Just cleaning up my things because I'm
Responsible.
Okay, I'm just gonna pick this up then. That is so hot. I don't understand why. I don't get why I'm still getting emails from school. I checked out before school was even done. Like, why are you still emailing me? Hot, 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 hot. Did it. Did it. Oh God, I'm not even hungry. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I need a piece with like, I'm just gonna try like, I'm gonna bite out of this part, the middle part. Don't get mad at me, I'm just trying to get all the flavors, you know? Is this triggering? I didn't get any bacon, that was just cheese and eggs, and I kinda hated it. Where is the motherfucking bacon? It's all cheese and eggs. Where is the bacon? That's what I wanna know. It's not terrible. I mean, it's not the best thing in the world, but it's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna go eat it. Bye. Okay, update. I've eaten that. Ugh, and I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I hate eggs so much. I don't know why I did this. Also, I don't even know if I cooked the bacon all the way. There's like some parts that are like, I don't even know. I should stick to baking.